Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video I'm making a simple and delicious fried rice with prawns. I'll start by adding my coconut oil and a little butter. Next, I will add my chopped garlic and purple onion. I will saute until fragrant. Next, I will add diced carrots and let them cook for a few minutes until slightly tender. Next, I will add my broccoli. Guys, I added carrot and broccoli first because they are the hardest vegetable I'm using in making this fried rice. So I'll add them first before adding the tender ones. I've just added my yellow and red bell peppers. I'll saute everything together to bring out those beautiful colors and flavors. And now I'm adding my marinated prawns. I marinated these prawns with some seasoning powder, black pepper, paprika powder and salt. And I'll fry them with the vegetables until it turns pink and juicy. Keep watching guys, and if you've watched up to this time, it means you like what you're seeing. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, help me grow my channel please guys. Subscription is free, you don't pay for it guys. Thank you guys, keep watching. Next thing I'll add is my cooked rice. I'll add my rice and stir followed by my soy sauce, just a little bit of soy sauce, seasoning cubes and a pinch of salt. I'll stir everything together, making sure the rice soak up all the flavors. And that's it, guys. My colorful flavored fried rice is ready. Yes, guys, ready to serve. This is quick, healthy, and absolutely delicious. You will love it. My whole house is, oh my goodness, the aroma here is nose blinding. Thank you guys for watching. If this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment. God bless you. Bye bye, guys. See you on my next one. Serve your delicious rice and enjoy. Yes, guys. Bye bye.